नहीं पूराटा कहि परिबे हो हो देखिया हो where the mind is without fear, this by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Somebody's mind, okay, a man will be without fear and his head will be held high. Where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. So, by narrow domestic walls means in like in our locality the different castes are there. So, accordingly, it should not be broken. That means he is expecting the man to behave, not to have a narrow mind. He is expecting the man not to have narrow minds, where words come out from the depth of truth. That means everybody should speak true. Everybody should be true. Everybody should be true teller. Acha. Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. That means where tireless striving, the man will be striving. Man will be trying his best, stretches his arms towards perfection, and he will be trying to do his work in a perfect manner. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of our dead habit. So, man should not do any action led by the led by dead habit or blind beliefs. Dreary, you know what is dreary? You have written here dull, cheerful. Okay. Acha. Dreary, dull. Dreary little, sorry, dull, lifeless. Acha. Where the mind is led forward by you, so it is not led by the dead habit, rather it is led by you. Okay. Into kuade तुम कुआडे हमको नबो into ever widening thought and action. So to a place where where always will have wide thought, ever widening thought means our thought will be growing, it will not be shrinking, it will be growing to do better and better, and action also will be more, means we will do more and more work into that heaven of freedom. So it's a place of freedom. So you lead us to that place. My father, let my country awake. So he is expecting his countrymen to be awake and to become truthful, to become okay, to do their duty, okay, in a what? In the by led being led by God. Understood?